Right, you guys, got another video here for you on how to fix Outlook is not responding, or it's stuck at the processing stage, stopped working or freezes, or it hangs. And we're going to take a look at how we can resolve these issues today in this video. So let's go ahead. Now I'm running Microsoft Outlook 2019, which is the very latest version. And we're going to be taking a look at how we can try to resolve this issue. Now this is a real live issue that I'm showing you here, so let's take a look. So I'm going to open up Outlook itself. And once you get Outlook opened up, you will see something like this. And when you go to send and receive, let's click on this bit down here where it says send and receive. You'll see the emails are not being sent in to me. They're just frozen, and it's in the processing part. If you look at the section here under progress, you'll see that it says processing. So that means it's just locked in and stuck at processing, and none of the emails will come down, and that will be that. So how can we fix this? Well, we're going to go through a bunch of steps here on how you can resolve your problems with this same issue here. So let's go ahead and close this off, and we'll move on to some of the fixes that you can try. So the first thing we're going to try is start up Outlook in safe mode. Now Outlook does have its own safe mode which you can start up, and we're going to try and do that to see whether this fixes the processing issue that we're having with Outlook. So go to the run box, and inside the run box here what we want to type is Outlook space / safe, and then push enter, and this will open up Microsoft in safe mode. So you can see here the profile name. We're going to click OK here, click accept to the agreement, and it will load up. And if you're still having issues here, then we can move on to the next step, because obviously this is not working. Now you can also run a repair here, and I'll show you how to do that here. So go to your Explorer, your C drive, then Program Files, then look for Microsoft Office, go into that folder there, then look for root. You should see a little folder called root, go in there, and then what you're looking for here is Office 16. Go into this one and then drill all the way down to the bottom here, and what we're looking for is a file called scan PST. And what this is going to do is a tool to scan and try to repair your mail PST file, which we have got in my case in my documents inside a folder in there, which is listed here. You can see this. So we'll just click on this and run it, and now it's asking to locate our mail file, which is our PST file. Mine's in Documents, Outlook Files. Once we've got that located, click on Start, and this will go ahead and go through a bunch of phases here. You can see there's 8 phases to go through to try to repair your PST file. Now this is obviously your mail file. It will create a backup, and it will try to repair what damage is done to it, and you'll get a list of what's been done here. You can see folders found in the file 35, and it will give you a bunch of information here. So all we need to do now is click repair, and it will try to repair that file. With any sort of repair, you want to make sure the tick is ticked in the make backup of scanned file before repairing. Make sure that's done, because if you don't, what's going to happen is if it corrupts that file even further, you may not be able to recover it and repair it. So it's always best to make backups of anything that you're doing here. Repair has been completed, and you can try to open up your mail and see whether that works, your Outlook, and see if it's working. If not, you can continue. Go to the control panel here. Once we're in control panel, we can go to programs and features. Inside programs and features, you'll have your Microsoft Office suite that you installed. So go to here and look for it here. You can see mine's Microsoft Office Professional 2019. Click on the change icon up the top, not uninstall, the change one, and you'll see an option to do a quick repair of your Microsoft Office suite, and it will try and repair that for you. So just let it do its thing. It will take a bit of time, so just be patient and let it do its repairs. Now hopefully this will repair your Office suite, and hopefully this will resolve any problems that you have with your Outlook. Now it may be an issue with the software itself, it could be a setting, it could be a corruption of your PST file, it could be server side. There's loads of things that it could be that's causing a problem, and we need to check everything to make sure that we try and get it repaired. So you can see here it's done its repairing, and you can now close this off. Now there is another option there which you did see, so let's open it back up and go back into change, which is online repair. Now word of warning here, it will require you to reactivate your software and log back into your Microsoft account. So before you continue here, make sure you do have all your information available to you. Also, online repair will require an internet connection because it's going to download the files and reinstall them, and you're going to need the internet to activate. So you can see here I've sped this up. It's took a long time to download the software and reinstall it and keep all your settings. So just bear that in mind, but it is a bit more of a severe way of repairing your Office suite. So what you can do now is go back into here and try to see whether it works. Another thing you can do is go into your account settings under File, and you'll see a little repair option here on your account. This is another way to get to your repair icon here. You can click on here and it will also repair that for you. So just let that run and it should say repaired successfully. So hopefully one of these methods has helped you out. If not, then you need to continue. Go back to Control Panel here, and once you're inside Control Panel, go to the Mail icon. You can see it says Mail Outlook 2016, even though we are running Outlook 2019. Go to here and then go to the Profile section, and what we're going to do is create a new profile. So give your profile a name, click OK here, and this will create a new profile. Now what you need to do here is make sure that you've got all your information. Now you can try to do it automatically and let the software try to connect to the server and pull all your information down. And this will connect to your Mail account and try to set it up. Now this is an encrypted setup, so you will need to accept the certificate here, and from here you can see create a new Outlook data file, and it will have a backup here. You need to put all your settings in. Yours will be different to mine, so make sure you have all your Mail settings available so you can put your Mail settings in, and then hopefully you will be able to connect. Now I like to remove the tick from remove from server after 14 days. I like to keep a copy of all my Mail up on the Mail server, and that way I've always got a backup there, so whenever I pull it down, it will pull down every single Mail file onto my new computer if I ever had one, and installed the software, it will pull all that Mail down. So you can see once you've got your settings done, you can click OK and try to log in. Now another thing you need to try is to log into your webmail account on the internet, and you can see this is just a web page here. You put your address in and put your password and your username inside there, and hopefully you connect and you'll be able to receive your email. Now if you can, there's no problem, and that means there's a problem with your software, but if there isn't, then it's server side. So let's do another scan for some Mail here, and you can see we are now receiving Mail with no problems at all, and the problems have been resolved. And that's basically how you can resolve these issues with these steps. I hope this one helps you out. My name is Brian from bradtechcomputers.co.uk. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now. Now if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the big red subscribe button on my YouTube channel and hit the bell notification button next to that to be notified when we upload new videos.